What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a huge lineup of brand new Blender add-ons. So if you're someone who's always hunting for tools to improve your workflow, speed up your projects, or just want to make your renders look way more professional without struggling for hours, then this video is exactly for you. I will leave the links in the description below of the add-ons I'm going to share for your ease. Let's jump right in. First on the list is LightMaster Pro, made available by the folks at Lazy 3D. They are the creators of these amazing add-ons. LightMaster Pro is a powerful library for artistic lighting with 500+ ready-made assets. Instantly place and shape light with full control over behavior, texture, and form. Forget complex setups and technical limitations. Create visually rich, stylized lighting and make your renders stand out in minutes. And if you are thinking of getting this and a few other add-ons of his, then make sure to take a look at the Lazy 3DS Bestselling Add-ons bundle, your complete real-time FX and environment toolkit for Blender. Next up, Gobos Master V3 has just dropped, and this update allows you to add your own custom Gobos and offers multi-layer mode, allowing you to mix and match up to 10 Gobos, allowing you to create amazing scenes in seconds. You can now apply blur individually to each Gobo layer for added depth and realism. And this is just the beginning. Over 200 new Gobos are currently in development and will be rolling out soon. And to take things even further, you can add Fog Cube with a single click and easy fog controls available right in the add-on panel. Robot Designer. You know exactly what the robot should look like. You shouldn't need to spend days to build it. Choose from 10 handcrafted presets. All share the same procedural base, meaning any look is reachable from any preset by adjusting sliders. Pick the closest to your vision and start from there. Robot Designer automates every step of the pipeline: geometry, materials, rig, UV, bake, export. You move sliders. The add-on does the rest. Shape every region of your robot through geometry nodes. Every change is instant and non-destructive. Toggle per limb asymmetry independently. Use simplified customization for speed, or go deep with the full parameter set across 6 categories per body part. A custom PBR smart material built for hard surface robots is applied automatically. Adjust per zone colors, where edge highlights, panel cuts, and bolt holes. Works in both cycles and EV. Press Finish Robot and your robot is immediately ready to use inside Blender. Rigged, skinned, clean topology, proper UVs. No extra steps required. Texture baking handles all maps at your chosen resolution. Pre-configured export presets for Unity, UE5, Sketchfab, and Blender. So if you want to level up your robot creation process, then Robot Designer is perfect for you. Smart Decal is a powerful Blender add-on that lets you quickly and easily place decals onto any object using a smart raycast-based workflow. Instead of wasting time with manual alignment and complicated setups, you can import your decal and place it directly onto the surface with accurate positioning and rotation. There is the ultimate Blender add-ons bundle for the best time and money savings. This exclusive collection brings together all the powerful add-ons and geometry node setups Blender Procedural ever developed to empower your creative journey. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned Blender artist, this bundle provides everything you need to create stunning, dynamic renders with ease. Surface Lab, created by the creator of the popular Clay Dough and Kamikaze shaders. Surface Lab is a toolkit for adding tactile surface detail to your models. It turns boring, smooth meshes into objects that feel handcrafted and ready for the real world. It's not just a texture pack, it is a system for applying textures on 3D models, quickly and intuitively. Comes with a curated set of 30+ ready-to-use textures. You can use any custom texture from the internet as well. Works on any model, no UV unwrapping needed, and a lot more features are included. Next, we got Cinecast Projector. This add-on simplifies what would normally be a fairly complex projection setup. Instead of dealing with node-heavy workflows, it gives you a more user-friendly approach while still offering advanced controls. You get features like quick aiming tools, automatic shape correction, and corner pin adjustments. It also includes a library of seamless looping patterns, along with modifiers to create variations. You can even import your own images or videos as projection sources. For added realism, it includes effects like volumetric beams, chromatic aberration, and pixel density adjustments. As a bonus, you also get a detailed 3D projector model for use in your scenes. Camera Nodes FX drive every aspect of your camera through a visual node graph. Connect, animate, mix, and layer cinematic effects without a single keyframe or driver, just like we create with geometry nodes or shader editor. Gui Slider Add-on. Tired of digging through panels to tweak shape keys and properties? GUI Slider attaches slider panels directly to your armature, putting all your parameters within reach in the viewport. Works with Auto Rig Pro, custom rigs, and scenes with multiple armatures. No rebuild required. Add sliders with just a few clicks. No rigging experience needed. Beginners and pros alike can get started right away. UV Flex is an interactive UV editing tool. Instead of jumping between operators and menus, UV Flex gives you interactive tools for splitting, merging, and reshaping UV islands so you can iterate faster and stay in flow. Split Tool allows you to split island boundaries instantly. Then there is Merge Tool. Just click and drag to weld UV vertices or edges with precision. Reshape Tool. Draw a new boundary to reform UV islands dynamically. Reprojector Add-on by Blender Easy. Reprojector is a high-performance geometry nodes utility built for artists who demand precision. It eliminates spiking and surface tearing common in shrink-wrap workflows, delivering clean, production-ready results every time. Now let's talk about Blender Kit, because they are offering over 128,000 Blender assets on Pro Plan, which is only $9 a month, but if you choose yearly, then it gets even cheaper. It is the best Blender assets collection of high-quality 3D models, materials, textures, and brushes from creators worldwide, both packed with valuable resources. Blender Kit Add-on allows you to download assets right from inside of Blender, and the add-on supports customizable tags and advanced filters, helping you quickly find what you need. Plus, you can explore different collections handpicked by experienced creators or even sell your own assets within the community. So if you use my link, which is in the description, you will get 10% discount on Pro Plan. Moving on, we have Proxy Control, which is all about simplifying rig interaction. This add-on allows you to control multiple bones using a single controller, which can be incredibly useful for things like tails, cables, or facial features. Through the side panel, you can define how each bone responds to the proxy's movement and adjust their influence individually. You're not limited to just one controller either. You can assign multiple proxies to the same bone chain, giving you more flexibility. One of the biggest advantages here is performance. Since it avoids heavy constraint systems, your rigs stay lighter and playback remains smooth, which is especially important for real-time animation work. Further, we have Procedural Clouds. This add-on makes it easy to add realistic cloud formations to scenes without complex setups. It includes over 60 presets such as cirrus, cumulus, stratus, smoke, and haze, plus ready-made sky setups for quick results. Built with geometry nodes, clouds are highly adjustable. Size, density, height, shape, and noise can all be customized. You can also create custom formations from templates, use a fast preview mode for performance, and apply built-in wind animation for natural cloud movement. Next, we have Light Director 2.0. It is a procedural, non-destructive lighting system for Blender that instantly saves and restores the state of every light and HDRI setup in your scene, letting you capture your perfect lighting at any moment in time and jump back to that setup with a single click. This means you never have to be afraid to change your lighting again. Whether you are making subtle tweaks to create different versions or completely reworking the mood, you can save every iteration as a unique setup. It gives you the freedom to experiment without ever breaking what you've already built, which actually saves a lot of time and increases productivity. After installing many add-ons, your in-panel can quickly become cluttered. To handle this, there is a powerful add-on called In-Panel Subtabs. It helps keep the in-panel organized. This tool allows you to create custom tabs, assign add-ons to specific tabs, and collapse or hide sections you don't use often. Once installed, you can immediately begin creating tabs, naming them to match your workflow. For example, placing modeling tools in one tab and rendering tools in another. This makes it much easier to find the tools you need without scrolling through a long list. You can also leave certain add-ons unmanaged if you rarely use them, but still want to keep them installed. In addition, The add-on includes update management, letting you check for and download the newest versions of your add-ons directly from the panel. For anyone handling different types of projects or regularly switching between workflows, the In-Panel Manager is an excellent way to personalize and streamline Blender's interface. So yeah, lots of exciting new and useful tools right now. Be sure to check out the links in the description if any of these caught your interest, and let me know in the comments which one stood out to you the most. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more Blender content. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.